What's up, guys? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage, coming to you from the auction today. I've got a 2014 Mercedes E550, a Mercedes-Benz of Atlanta trade-in, 167,000 miles. Man, this thing is a monster. Ooh, look at those tires. Man, either somebody has been running those severely underinflated, or we got some serious alignment issues. This is a 4matic, E550 4matic. Gosh, this front tire looks exactly the same. Huh. Yeah. It runs really good. It's not perfect. I mean, it's black, so we got some, scuffs here. Those are nice Michelin tires, but they just weren't maintained. Got a scuff down there. Car runs good. We're gonna take it down the track. Looks like it's been bumped a time or two, maybe, but it's decent enough. The wheels aren't too badly beat up. Interior is still very nice. Got the panoramic sunroof. E550s come usually pretty loaded. It's got the heated and cooled ventilated seats. Of course, nav, Bluetooth, all that good stuff. Backup camera. Yep. This one feels like it may need a motor mount. I mean, it's pretty smooth, but I am getting just a little bit of vibration from under the hood. But we do have a check engine light on, so there could be a situation there. This car will either be on the cheaper side or it'll go berserk. I mean, it's so hard to predict and tell these days with these cars. I mean, to me, I would think it would sell on the cheap side just because of the check engine light. Well, and Mercedes usually sell for a little less money anyway, but an E550 4matic, I mean, that's pretty special. You don't run across those quite as often. I wish you guys could feel the steering wheel in my hand. It is about a foot thick. I mean, this steering wheel is a beast, but it feels really good. It makes you want to hang on. And E550s are no slouches. They are quick. This one needs just a little TLC, but it's pretty darn clean overall. Let's see what she's got. Whoa, baby, God. Yeah, that was not even close to full throttle. Golly. Yeah, lots of power. Air's nice and cold. I feel my cooled seat coming in. Shoot, we're 75 degrees this afternoon in Georgia. And it's March 7th, I think. Nice warm day. Yes, I don't have my seatbelt on. Let's do one more trip down the track. I like that power. It feels good. Nice. All right, here we go. Yeah, buddy. You know what? That was a second gear start, I think. I thought I had it in sport mode, which makes it start in first gear, I thought, which gives you that hard boom right off the line, but maybe I didn't. I thought that was, let's see, economy, sport. I thought that's, maybe I'm missing something. Anyway, yeah, 2014 Mercedes-Benz E550 4matic. She's nice. I mean, she needs a little TLC, but she runs and drives really good. I'll definitely be looking out for this one tomorrow to see what she brings. Always love to snag up a Mercedes when I can. But anyway, y'all like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys with the next one. Peace.